how to connect Epic Games to Steam. So first what you want to do is just open up your Epic Games on your browser. So just open up your browser and open up the Epic Games website. Now once you are here on the Epic Games website, just make sure that you need to sign in first. So click on sign in. Now just sign in with your Epic Games account. Now once you're logged in, just simply hover or click on your profile on the top right corner and then go to account. Then wait for it to load. Now once you are here, just simply go to the left side here where it says apps and accounts. Just simply click on that, and here you will see the apps and here are the accounts, and this is where you can connect the Steam account. So just simply click on connect. Now it will load right here. So it says you're signed in to Epic Games, has their email, and just click on connect account. And now this will pop up, and if you want to change your email, you simply need to click on not you. Or if you want to change your Steam account, but if that's good, just simply click on sign in. Now wait for it to load. This will just go back right here. And now as you can see, your Steam account is now connected to your Epic Games account. So just click on continue. Just wait for a bit. And now as you can see, my Steam account is now connected to my Epic Games account. And that's how you basically connect your Steam account to your Epic Games.